This is a Camaro speaker box you get for 5th gen Camaros. You get it off of eBay. I'll post a link down below. But you get the box. I believe you gotta install your own wire. You gotta solder here on your connectors here on both sides for whatever subs you're gonna put in it. I have the Rockford Fosgate P3s I'm putting in it. I've got another video posted on here on YouTube, but I had to take had a problem with my battery in the trunk of the car, so I had to, once you pull out the carpet, it's very difficult to install it correctly unless you pull the sub box out. So that's what I had to do. You had to basically disassemble everything to be able to get the box in the correct position. And then it's hard to get it turned with so much weight with the weight of the box. So I had to disassemble everything, and now I'm gonna reinstall it. Then I gotta put the subs back in. Okay, I had the box reinstalled, and these are the Rockford Fosgate P3s. They're dual 4 ohm. That means you got 2 voice coils, 600 watt RMS and 1200 watt peak. So dual voice coil, they have wires on both sides. So we'll get these installed again. Yeah, like I said, I had a problem with my battery. The battery cables come loose. The 2 little terminals that they got the battery cables come loose, so I had to, once you pull this carpet out, it's almost impossible to get to lay right once you pull it out from under that box. So you almost have to disassemble all this. That box is so heavy once these P3s are in there. In order to, you can pull it out, but getting it in the right position. I've got this box pulled out a little bit so you can see better. And I'll shove it back into position after I get everything installed. Better look at the covers here, because your covers have, see, 4 holes in it, and they go, look at your covers. So you want, your cover's gonna have these holes covered on the sub, so you want to put your bolts in the tops and the sides here. So I about put it in the wrong hole there. Nothing like doing it 2 or 3 times, huh? Yeah, I'm trying to use all the original holes in this. I don't have to make any more holes in the box. Yeah, just snug these up. Don't get them too tight. You don't want to strip them out. Okay, now the covers go on, and they'll fill in these other holes. Okay, we'll go get the other sub. are some heavy speakers. Big old magnet on them. 12-inch subs. I'm going to stick this back in the car. Black to black. Positive to positive. Okay, tip that box up so we can get to it. Okay, I got the subs back together. Now I want to show you the clearance that I'm talking about, how low a clearance you have to move that box around. So I'll show you that now. Here's the top of the box. Here's the speaker. Here's a 3/8 extension drive. It won't even fit underneath it. I'm talking less than maybe a 1/2 inch. Yeah, this. Yeah, you have to force it under there to have the clearance to go under there. So yeah, this speaker box is made for this car, but it's no room to move it around. So you gotta have it real light and without the speakers in the way. Okay, here's the Rockford Fosgate 500 watt amp. I had to fabricate this part right here, this piece that the amp is mounted to, because there really wasn't nothing to mount it to back there. So just cut out a plastic or plywood and then cover it with your material that you can get, that matches the car. Get you some kind of adhesive, wrap it around and staple it. It's pretty easy to do if you have everything to work with. But it makes it a lot more custom that way. So I've got some audio clips I got off of YouTube. It's in a YouTube library, the sound library. And it's if you go in and making videos, you can add those clips into your videos without having to worry about any kind of what do you call copyright. So we'll turn it on and check it out.